Hey, how's it going, everybody? I'm going to do your favorite internet show, Survival Deal of the Week. And this week, survivalhacks.com has four deals for you: the survival grenade, the 10-in-1 EDC keychain, the bracelet, and the fire starter. Each one of these can be you can use the $5 discount on, and it's just typing in Paracord 5. So we got the survival grenade right there. I'm sure you guys remember this one. And if you can see on this kit right here, it's got like 10 different fishing items in here. But once you pull it out of the paracord, it's a little bit tough to get it rebraided. To resolve that issue, we made another kit like this and everything into a pill bottle. And we also threw in um, put a saw in there, so like a finger saw, which is pretty cool. So yeah, you can do that one. You can do the survival grenade. You can do this one, which has the stuff inside and can be reused. We've got the paracord bracelet, and this is a pretty standard paracord bracelet, except for the inside right here. That will make it from, a lot of times this clasp right here makes paracord bracelets a lot of times feel clunky and loose on your wrist. But when we added that, you can secure them down now. So if you're jogging or backpacking or whatever, it's not always going to go thunk thunk against your hand. And the last thing we have is the fire starter. Again, just a 6-inch ferro rod with about, how much paracord does it come with? I believe it's 5 feet when it's completely unraveled. It also comes with tinder in there. Now, in order to get any of these deals, you just click add to cart and then click checkout. And then what did I say? Paracord 5. Paracord 5. Boom. $5 off. Yep. And I'll put that code down in the description of this video, and put the links in here as well so you don't have to hunt for them. All right, everybody, be safe.